Action. Well, you see this push mower here, this 1980s TORO? Well, the motor's not original. The original motor was a 2-stroke. My buddy of mine had this for a while. Then when I got the deck, it didn't have the motor on here. The motor was originally off of Yard Machine's push mower, 21-inch cut, 6 horsepower Briggs Stratton, and the motor was made in 2000. The Yard Machines, I saw the Briggs Stratton code, so she's a hunk of aluminum and iron right at the birth of the 21st century. Yeah, it says on the safety standard sticker 1980, so I'm going to consider this as a 1980 TORO with a 2000 Briggs Stratton motor. Anyways, I haven't fired it up since last year. I used it for a mulching mower, but man, this engine's awesome. Really zips through the grass, no problem. I also got a MTD blade on there, one with the star blade. When I primed it last time I checked the oil, it was fine, so I use a piece of wire right here just to keep the motor from dying. Let's go ahead and give her a crank. Maybe. Oh, I may have to check the gas. Ooh, not much, but I hope it will still fire though. Normally you have to prime it 3 times, but I'm going to give it a little more primes. She hasn't started in a while. Love your Briggs Stratton. Sit on it. And that's how I kill it. I loosen the wire and push the lever to the right. Well, I pretty much should call this thing Yard Machines / TORO. Kind of like I did the same deal with the other TORO with the Murray motor on it, made by Briggs Stratton. Called it the Murray TORO. So it's going to be the same deal with this one. Yard Machines TORO and the Murray TORO, which is down there in that building right on the other side of my truck. Figured I'd do another cold start. So y'all have a good day, and bye bye.